Hi everyone, I am Anubhav and it's day 3 of my communication journey. It's 23rd June of 2026. In my last video, I said that I will give you a review of the book You Can. The book is here. So, I read it first chapters and it's if we I summarize that uh, it's helped me to boost and improve my self confidence. And the second chapter, titled 50/50, explains that if we don't give our 100% energy and potentials, how can I expect extraordinary results? So, if we want miraculous results, we must give our 100% energy and potentials. Tomorrow, I will share the summary of the next two chapters. Stay tuned.